Mamaya ma'am.
Good luck!
Dito siya ma'am. Picture niya.
Kaya nga eh.
Para kita yung ulo ng camera.
So kayo hold lang. Relax! I saw in the video. I saw Toto. Sige. Diba? Sumakay siya ng camel. Yan guys. Nakasakay si Alexa ng camel. See, look here. Look here. Do like this. Oh. Bye-bye camel. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kuya Ate. See, bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, look, touch the head. You want to touch the head?
Yeah.
Oh, go. Touch me. Go. Okay, one. Look here, look here, look here. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yan, nakalimutan natin yung ano natin.
Audrey is in her place. Audrey is right there.
Oh, water muna, water. Water muna, water.
How can I slip line?
Okay, wait.
Dalawa po kayo. Isa lang niya.
Hold this muna. I'll get the wipes. Hold it. Tapat mong ganyan. Tapat mong ganyan. Like that. Hold like that.
But can we
Yeah, you're going na.
Kabilaan sila ma'am. Magkano ah? 50 pesos lang po.
Hi,
Isa lang ma'am or dalawa kayo ma'am? Kabila.
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
What is it?
Thank you ma'am. Pila na lang po tayo.
Hot. What are you saying?
Umuhulog ka na.
Kami bebe.
Ubus na tayo.
Bakit?
Gusto na lahat sa sakyan. Ubus na.
Zipline po.
Wait lang natin.
That's Alexa.
Ay, si Alexa ba yan? Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's not even. We're gonna ride the swing. I don't know what that. Audrey.
Let's go. Dito.
Mabuto, boss.
Ay, dalawa tayo. Wag na. Ayoko.
Hmm.
Dalawa tayo?
Yeah.
Opo ma'am, kabilaan. Para
Pwede magpa-video sa kanya ate.
picture lang siya ma'am.
Hindi, iwanan ko siya. Tapos,
Pwede po. Sige po.
i-headband mo na mo. I-put niya yun. Close the water. Ang init! Nasa mood siya. Sorry. Ang cute. Yay! Go up na.
Baba na.
Yes po, ma'am.
You want to ride there?
Tapos na ang kwarta, anak.
Ayun.
Anak, here, baka matagsakan ka nung kanin. We wait for Ate Alexa yun.
Ang iksi naman kasi ng 150. Isang ikot lang.
Good job! High five! Siguro pa kain sa kain. Okay na, let's go na. You want more? Not scared? Ano nasa dinosaur? You don't have to mapano na. may pawis, grabe.
Nakalimutan ko yung sombrero namin.
Ito, nangutang ako kay Dali.
Magkano?
200.
Diyan yan nakukuha, di ba? Tingnan ko ngayon kay Alexa.
So happy siya.
Mas gusto niya pala ganyang rides eh.
Extreme.
Oo.
Ito ang isa gusto niya pa. Sabi ko na anak.
Mas okay naman yung ganito. Mas 50 pesos. Eh.
Sugat-sugat ka na. Yung sa grass.
Saan? Ayun doon. Ah. Excuse daw, mami.
Dito, dali. Yung kanin dito. Ayaw mo naman magpa-ako.
Look here, look here. What of you? Look here. Okay, 1, 2. Picture muna. Let's go. Take a picture, come. Sit beside Alexa. Stand up beside Alexa. Stand up, stand up. Okay. Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Come here, Alex. Alexa, look. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, thank you. Let's go. We look for the picture. What's that? You know how to use that? Let's go. Hug first. Hug. Kasi gusto niya hug. Oh, let's go up. She wants to stay in the bus. She wants to stay with us in the bus. So she's sad. Let's go. We look for the picture. Come here. Let's go.
What picture?
Picture for the cart. Sa go-kart. Oh. Water agad. Water. Wait for me. She wants to hug you now. Go, hug mo siya. Hug mo lang.
Again?
Oh, yeah. The horse. The horse is there. Let's go. We'll take a picture. We look for the picture. Diba sulit yung ano nak. Maliit, maiksi man yung ano niya. Buti na lang 50 pesos.
Why was so much fun?
Wala, bababa pa rin. bababa pa rin, mami. Alexa daw. Wait for me. Pwede. Wag na daw.
So much fun.
So much fun. So much fun. Bulsa ni mama. Butas. Isa pa lang to. Ate Tere, isa pa lang. Mayroon pang duty free. Ang duty free. Hindi na tayo bababa sa duty free. Kami na lang tayo na.
What is this for?
Picture.
Picture for?
Yan na.
These teachers.
Yan, ma'am. First.
Anong mas okay ah? Blurred kasi dito eh. Isa pa. Balik. First daw ya. Hindi yung pangandi. Balik. Isa pa. Parang nasilaw siya sa araw. Ibalik mo nga yung isa ya. Ayan na lang ya. Mas marami doon ya. Not me. Tuto din. Wash your hands. Tayo mag-wash. Wash hands tayo. Wash hands. Ha? Naku, hindi pa nga tayo nakakauwi. Gusto mo nang bumalik.